Hello YouTube. It is Friday. Woohoo! Got a weekend off. Heading over to Rock Island. It's just below Cookeville, Tennessee. Maybe a little more than just a little, but they got some amazing waterfalls there. And it's the first time there for me. I've heard a lot about it. I've got a reservation there. It's like $32 a night, and I'm gonna be there for 2 days. So I'm gonna turn the AC on and cool off because it's a hot one. And come on along. See you in a bit. Great things about traveling is going through little towns. A lot of times I like to hit up a little local diner if I have time, or even hit a pawn shop. Kind of a town where everybody pretty much probably knows you. But this is a quaint little town. It's called Woodbury. Stop now. Little general store. Rock Island State Park. I'm gonna get here just in time before it gets dark. Just a tad late, but I did call ahead. Okay, we made it. We made it. They are closed. I think I'm gonna have just enough time to set up before it gets dark, but that's what we're looking at. Here's the main campground. I'm in number 8. Number 8 right there. We are lot 8. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We're on the right here. Oh, I didn't know they were this close. Well, there we are. So hey guys, I'm back here in the camper van. Gonna get something to eat. Meanwhile, I just had some chips all plugged in. Get the AC rolling here. But I'm gonna make some food. Maybe call it a night kind of early so I can get up early because there's some magnificent falls here. There's a TVA dam, power dam. Yeah, some great trails. So looking forward to that. Met my neighbor across from me. He introduced himself They're cooking something that smells kind of good. I'm just running out of time. So, yeah, gonna cook some food, maybe visit some neighbors. We'll see. Playing it by ear. See you tomorrow. Well, good morning, people. Cooking some eggs. Get ready for the day. Some cheese. Might do some sausages. Slept pretty good. Actually, slept really good. Slept a little late. 11:30. Of course, that's not really late to me. But, yeah, I woke up at 9. But getting some breakfast going. I'm going to hit some trails. Come on along. So here we are at the overlook. Check this out, guys. Ready for it? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. One big sinkhole. To your left is where the big falls are. This is just part of the overlook. I just missed a guy dive into the water. Awesome. I waved him on to do it and he did it. That was awesome. Sometimes when you're patient and wait just a little bit longer, you can see stuff like that. I couldn't tell you how many people came through here. I've only been waiting about, I don't know, 20 minutes, and I got that shot. That was cool. Cool. Come down there and give me a thumbs up. Alright. Here's another reason why I love my camper van. A regular camper could not get in here, let alone turn around or park. Pretty narrow. That way. Let's go check out these falls. Canyon Fall River Gorge, Old Mill Trail. Half mile, use extreme caution. That's how you get down there. Looks like they close it at night with the gates. There's people down if you can see them. We're on the other side by the rock going up towards it. And then we got some people down here crossing. Alright, so we've made it. We're at the falls, which we're closer than I thought we'd be. Can you hear it? Here's the parking. There's Canyon Fork River trail that goes that way. A little over 2 miles back and forth. Follows along the Canyon Fork River. And then the power dam is right over here. Now we are just on the other side of the upper falls slash campground. Rock Island State Park. Twin Falls. And they got parking down here too, just not as much. Let's do this. There's your river trail right there. You gonna head that way in a few. Right now I'm gonna capture all this. So there's how they power the water running through. There is another gorge lake just on the other side of there. Water comes through there, travels down through there. All right, shall we go for a walk? This is supposed to follow along the river, Canyon River, along with the falls. About a 2-mile hike. See you on the flip side. Check this out, guys. I made it. I did it. Across all these boulders to get here. Now to head back through there. Woohoo! Having a ball. Hey y'all. Back at the campsite. It's already starting to get dark. Just took a good old shower. Now I'm just going to take it easy. Got a fire going. Get some food going here. It's my fire pit. Everybody's getting back from their daily duties. Guess I need to put some more wood in there. Hey y'all, day 3. Just left the campground, and I haven't been over to the beach area, which just as you leave the campground, just the opposite way on Beach Road. And this is where you can put your boats, and you got your docking area down here. I'm not sure what the sand road's for. I'll find out, but spectacular view. Wish it was a little more sunny, but then it's kind of cool out. So, here's something you don't see every day. The tree, I get it. Bird bones. That's a leg right there. It's talents. Socket. Looks like some ribs. Sunbird. Any ideas? Let me know what that is. Alright. That was fun. I guess it's time to get back to Nashville. I just want to see the beach area here on day 3. Hopefully I can try the beach out next time I'm here, and some trails that I didn't get to go to this time. But hope you liked coming along. Hope it was cool for you to see. You'll see future videos. Hit the subscribe button and like, and to our next adventure. Meanwhile, peace, rock and roll. Catch y'all later.